Good evening everybody! So ngayong gabi guys, meron ako ipakita sa inyo. I was with my friend ngayon. Kanina 10 o'clock. And then guess what? I was there helping her leveling her plastic, your cellophane na panlagyan ng mga chocolate niya dahil she knows how to make a chocolate. This is assortment of chocolates. So tingnan natin kung ano ang nasa ilalim guys. Dahil I bought two. So, ayan. Ito siya is assortment of chocolates. Meron siyang let's see. Meron siyang mango, walnut. We have these stripy ones. We have salted caramel. Wow, we have salted caramel. What is the white one? I think the coconut is the white with orange. And there is a honey. Looks like honeycomb. And wow, we have lemon. And what is the other one? It's plain. Oh, mint. So, napakadami guys. Dito ay meron tayong 12. I was there because we're labeling the plastic. Yung mga cellophane dahil meron daw siyang order na 300 chocolate bombs. Oh my gosh, napakadaming orders. So, yung mga kaibigan namin, she is not just a friend of mine dito guys. We are neighbors in Kazakhstan. We were once live in Kazakhstan. So, doon neighbors kami. Mga siguro, we're neighbors for 4 years doon. Maybe more than 4 years. Neighbors ko siya guys. So, I will show you some of my pictures na doon may mga parties kami. So, pagdating namin dito guys, kami yata ang nauna or sila nauna. I don't know because from Kazakhstan, we went to London and then back to home base. And we're so close friends. We play mahjong. If somebody invited us for coffee, it's like coffee here, coffee there, coffee everywhere. So, ganun kami guys. Close kami doon dahil ang mga bahay doon is more than 100. Pero alam mo yung kung sino yung mga kapitbahay mo dahil kasamahan sila ng mga asawa ko sa trabaho nila. Yan ang grupo ko. Kami siguro mga more than 10. Kami sa grupo, ang ginagawa namin, magmahjong. Pero maganda yung grupo guys. So kung pupunta kami mag-market or go groceries, we have to go together by twos or by threes or sometimes mag-order kami ng malaking 6 kami or 10 kami. It's really fun going to groceries with your friends. Kaya close na close kami doon. Kung may mag-coffee dito, coffee doon, ayan, pupunta kami, mag-invite yung mga kids namin guys. They went to the same school, dahil ang school doon lang din. Yung mga kapitbahay, naku, alam namin yung mga biswax ng kung ano. Alam mo naman mga chismis pag kapitbahay, o diba? So, ayan siya guys. She even teach me how to beads. Ayan si beads. Meron akong beading na video. Ayan, she taught me how to make mga bracelets, mga earrings, mga anklets. Ayan siya guys, binigay pa niya sa akin lahat yung mga equipment for beadings. And then she teach me how to make a paper. Oh my gosh, but when we left dahil overweight na ang namin, I give it to the school para naman maano nila doon, magamit sa eskwelahan, di ba? So, coming here, magkapitbahay pa rin kami. Hindi kami kapitbahay, but we live in the same place, in the same city. From time to time, yung mga ladies sa kasamahan ng mga asawa namin ay mag-coffee kami somewhere and mag-lunch kami. Mga neighbors kami sa Kazakhstan and then back to home base. Itong isa, kapitbahay ko, mga 1 minute lang. Yung isa, 3 minutes siya, mga 12 minutes. Yung isa, siguro mga 15 minutes. Tapos may isa somewhere, mga siguro 20 minutes drive. Yan siya, guys. So, ayan, kanina, I was there. Nako, bumili ako. This is not free ha. I bought this one. Dahil sabi ng anak ko, I want her chocolates, mommy, because in different variety. And aside from that, guys, masarap siya. And gourmet. So, masarap ang ating chocolate. Ipakita ko nga sa inyo. So, ito ang chocolate niya. Napakasarap. So, ayan, meron siyang mga dyan. Kung ano yung mga pangalan. This is not free. I bought this one. And of course, guys, hindi yun porkit kaibigan mo and tinutulungan mo, libre ka na, o diba? No, it's not like that. So, this is Marla beside me, myself, Anandita, and Pinky. So guys, ito ang kuha ng 2 years na Mardi Gras doon. But I was there 6 years. So wala akong nakita na ibang picture ba ito lang. Ayan siya. And then, si Liit, suot-suot niya ang kazak hat. Napakaganda, no? Diba? Hi guys, good morning. I'm here in my friend's house. We are doing this. We're labeling the bag, guys, for chocolates.
With good company, it goes faster.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is for an order of 300 hot chocolate bombs.
Wow,
So
that's a
getting
lot.
The packaging ready.
Uh-huh.
And I'm slowly making the shells for the bombs so I can put them together.
Wow.
On my rack
So-
there.
Yeah, there's a lot. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a lot. This is not a simple talent, guys. She's good in making chocolate. So, some friends will order. And if you have birthdays, you have a lot of orders for birthdays.
Do
Weddings?
birthdays.
Yeah, I remember weddings. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Any party, any celebration.
Wow. So call me if you need help. We're almost done. Oh, we're good.
Got 300 bags that we labeled for 300 hot chocolate bombs.
Yes, 300 guys. We started like 10 o'clock, 10:30, like around 10:30.
10:30, yeah.
And finally we finished labeling bags. And you know guys, if you want to order, just let me know. This is Marla too. She really is good in making chocolate. So I'm learning labeling. So, what kind of chocolate is this?
Dark chocolate, 64% dark chocolate.
Oh wow, this is a 64% dark chocolate, guys. Oh, look at that. So I'm here at my friend's leveling bag. So this is the chocolates that she's using. And that is the molder. Hey, Marla, this is a very nice box of your chocolate. Tell me about this.
Well, it's a new box that I ordered. And it's for the purpose of if you want to give a gift with samples of different chocolates, chocolate bars, we've got here, and chocolate bark with nuts, pecan,
Wow, that's beautiful.
turtle, Texas shape, Oreo cookies, so whatever you can fit in the box and you want to give as a sampler box of our chocolates. It's got the little window, it's a nice little gift box, sampler chocolates.
Yes. Yum,
Nice
yum.
squirrel design on the back.
Wow, beautiful.
Well, I was trying to find the place.
So I'll give this to my little oink oink at home because she ordered my friend's chocolate. She asked me, oh, mommy, where is the chocolate? Why we didn't go to her house to buy those? I said, well, busy, busy, busy. So this is, guys, I'll give this to my daughter. And, well, thank you. I have extra. Yes.
Oh, these are done.
Oh, yeah, success. 300 done. Well, guys, thank you for watching. This is my friend Marla, and this is her house. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button. If you like to eat chocolate, please click like, comments below, and click the subscribe button. Bye!
Bye.
Dad, would you like to try Marla's chocolate?
You had it?
Yes.
Yeah, get one.
Okay. Which one you like? We have mint, Fireball Dark, orange, coconut,
Dark.
salted caramel, Fireball Dark. Oh, sorry, I don't think we have Fireball Dark here. Uh-oh. No, we don't. But there's dark. Let's see. I asked her not to use this one, guys, dahil sayang din, di ba? Naku, talagang binigay niya sa akin. Okay. So, I think we have here salted caramel, mango. Oh, we don't have fireball. The fireball, guys, it's hot. It's really hot. But I would like this. We have walnut. Okay, I would like to try the mango. Try the mango. How's your chocolate? chocolate that you ordered. I eat one already. Okay, give this to Daddy. You hear me talking about chocolate, huh? Here. And this is for you. Oh my, it's so good. Well, Marla. Ang anak ko nagising dahil I'm talking about chocolate. Well, Marla, your chocolate is so yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. And sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button. Ang chocolate is andito sa palette. Okay. Here, sweetheart. So, thank you for watching. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button and like. Comment below if you like chocolate. O, diba? Bye! Thank you! Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie. There's something here too. Name. Okay, sa kanya na yan. But you have to limit your chocolates, okay? Well, guys, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer and this is...
Marla, thank you so much for watching.
Okay, click subscribe if you like to eat chocolates. Bye!
Bye.